up, you guys? I'm here with Noor, and I'm going to be doing her makeup. I'm going to be turning her into me, so it's going to be good. My primer doesn't have a lid on it. I'm using the Professional Hydrate Primer. I'm going to put it on my little fingers. I'm covering your whole face. I'm blending it like this. I'm just using my nasty fingers, and I'm going...
She washed her hands. She washed her hands, I promise.
I should not be saying that as I'm rubbing it. You guys, I don't do other people's makeup. I do other people's makeup. I'm getting better. I'm just not good. Huda beauty. Huda beauty.
Keep my eyes closed.
Okay, just keep your eyes closed because if we make eye contact, then I'm just not gonna shut the fuck up.
I also never do people's makeup because of my nails. So I'm just like,
yeah. What? Where did that come from? Okay, it's like...
oh, it might be the mix of the primer and the foundation.
Just kidding. I'm gonna start over with a different primer.
I'm not touching anything. This is up to you now.
Yeah, this is all me. This is all me. This is all me. Starting over as soon as I started. I'm using this primer this time. Sorry for party rocking. Now my hands are sticky. Maybe I shouldn't have rubbed that in.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. Hydro grip.
Oh. Okay. I guess I'm just gonna have sticky hands this whole time. Here we go. Now it's not doing it. That's awesome.
I've never had my makeup done before.
Really?
Yeah.
I do your makeup.
Every time I go for a photo shoot, they're like, you're a makeup artist, do it yourself. And I'm like, okay.
Just because I'm a makeup artist doesn't mean I want to do makeup. Kind of does. That's kind of exactly what I mean.
Suddenly I don't know how to do makeup.
You wear makeup? What's a makeup? Guys, look, I'm blending. Coco naughty. Coco naughty.
Oh, naughty, naughty.
You're so naughty. Oh, no. Now I'm going to bronze.
I'm gonna brown my face.
Now I'm gonna bronze. I'm gonna bronze.
Makeup artist.
How do you feel?
So pretty.
You feel bronze. I feel bronze. Here's my issue. How do people do one side of the face and then do the other?
Thumbnail.
Okay.
Okay, we are not YouTubers.
I'm not a YouTuber.
I make TikToks.
I make TikTok.
Here, but I did.
I'm contouring Noor's nose.
What are these questions? What is your favorite color?
Pink. What's your favorite color?
Oh, mine's actually pink too. Just depends. Pink or beige or sage green.
Sage green. That was fancy.
Yeah, my dog. He looks like a demon.
Aww.
He's so demonic.
He's so cute.
He's so chub. He got such big cheeks. You wanna see my scary dog? He's scary. Everyone's gonna be like, that's an ugly ass dog, bro.
Why am I shaking?
That'll make you nervous?
A little bit. I'm blending it now. That's what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing.
Do I got an itsy bitsy nose now?
Yeah?
Who was a TikToker you hate? That Noor Dabash bitch seems kind of weird.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to agree with you on that one. I think I have your base pretty much done. Foundation, your concealer.
Am I pretty? Do I look like Xowie yet?
Noor, what's the longest amount of time you've spent filming a TikTok?
Well, it depends. I do those really long special effects videos.
Yeah.
7 hours.
7?
Mm-hmm. When I was doing that Halloween series, I would maybe from 11 p.m. to like 6 a.m.
God. I get tired after like 2 hours. I'm like, okay, I'm done now.
Some of them are so intricate. There's just fucking so many lines, highlights, da-da-da-da. And I'm just like, oh, okay.
Was that like spent filming it, or was that just spent doing the makeup for it?
Makeup and filming, because I would like do the process.
I remember I filmed a transition video, and it took me like 6 hours to film it and like get all the transitions right. And then I finally got the last transition right, which took me forever to do, and I accidentally deleted it.
I would just like...
yeah, and then I had to refilm it because it was a promo.
No,
But I really liked the video, so I was like, okay, let's start a video over.
I guess.
Wow, your eyebrows are really good. I'm using Anglo eyeliner on her eyebrows right now, you guys. I'm like holding my breath, sorry.
Oh, I am too.
Okay, cool.
I'm like, do you like pineapples on pizza?
No.
What the
f? Do you like that?
That shit good.
Oh,
you don't like Hawaiian pizza?
No.
No. You want more pizza tonight?
Oh.
It's gonna be extra pineapple. Have you had it? Have you had it before?
Yeah, I have it. You're not gonna convince me.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
I actually don't really like pizza. So that might also play another factor in it. No, you guys, I'm using more
I just choked on my coffee.
35.
No.
35C. And I'm using this one.
You never have a shot of maple syrup?
No. I haven't.
You're weird.
You're weird. You're freaking weird for
You don't
taking
like-
shots of maple
You
syrup.
don't like pineapple on pizza or maple syrup? Like, what, do you not play hockey? You guys know what a Tim Hortons is? Hey?
Tim.
Tim Hortons? Yeah.
Yeah, I know Tim.
He's a hockey player. I think he's dead.
Is
Is Tim Horton dead? Yeah, he died in 1974. Holy damn, stupid.
I didn't even know that was a real person.
No, yeah, they named it after him because he died.
Oh. But is it a coffee place?
Yeah.
Oh. See, I'm not that stupid. Maybe I could just hold my hand still and you could do it. I'm gonna get real close and personal.
Okay.
You guys, is that something? Watch. And then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna drag it down that way. And then I'm just gonna... Hey! Shawty look good!
You did good. I'm proud of you.
That was kinda awesome.
Okay, Nikki tutorial.
How did I do that? Wait, open your eye. Don't look at me though. Sorry, I get nervous. Okay, hear me out. I'm gonna like grab your face. Okay. Wait, open. That's like not that bad. That's like not that bad.
Ooh. I feel like I look so bad on camera because I'm here like every 10 minutes I have to go.
And then I'm like, like a gremlin, like trying to do your man. Like, your eyeliner's sensitive.
You know what? I think it looks great.
Norm, it looks kind of bad. How do people do eyeliner on other people? I just don't understand how this happens, like, and it like looks good afterwards. Maybe if I just conceal like that wing right there.
That's what I do.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Where the frick did your concealer go? Oh, I found it. Okay. I made it better. No! No!
These toes are not meant for sucking. Mascara.
Okay guys, these are the eyelashes I'm using. I have them on my eyeballs right now. See, and now you can't even tell that your eyeliner is kind of lopsided. Here we go.
Don't look like Xowie yet.
Put on your highlighter. Look, I use this one, and I go. Woo, woo, woo. This highlighter's so good. This Juvia's Place. Hold up. I'm gonna. Okay. You look great. Every part that like doesn't look right is 100% my fault. Okay. Look, come here. Okay. Hold it together. Hold it together. Hold it together. Fuck. Got your tooth on it. It's okay. Name a lipstick that you would eat.
Anything called cherry.
I don't know what lipstick I would eat. Probably this one.
It smells good.
Pretty. Now I'm setting Noor's face with Madison Beer's setting spray. It has all the glitter in it.
I will help.
Thank you.
It will be useful.
Thank you. I don't have one on right now, but I always glue a rhinestone on my face, kind of like a dermal. So I'm gonna pop one on you. There you go. All done. That's Noor's face, everybody. You look pretty.
We are now the same person.
Yeah. I feel like we look the same. Well, that's it, you guys. I did Noor's makeup, and now she looks like me, kind of, I think. Like a little bit.
I think the internet thinks so.
I think the internet thinks so. Follow Noor on TikTok, and follow Noor on Instagram, and subscribe to her YouTube channel, and this is her app. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell.
She's kind of cool.
Aw, you're kind of cool, I think. Oh yeah, this is my first time meeting Noor.
Yeah.
She's really cool. I tried my best. Leave a comment down below if you think I should do it again.
That's the video.
That's
Subscribe.
the video.
Subscribe, or I will steal your cat.